Detective says the incident also shows how virtually every big fire is unpredictable.
The Hell Attack Unit of CAL FIRE is an elite group of firefighters who end up in many risky situations, whether it's getting people in and out of dangerous areas, or as in this case, responding to the Kirker Pass fire near Concord. The group was distressed to hear about the 19 members of the elite unit in Arizona, the Hot Shots, killed in the fast-moving Yarnell Hill fire.
Hot Shot crews are probably the best of the Forest Service firefighters. At least one of them the best. So it's a real tragedy.
CAL FIRE units are all waiting to find out exactly what happened in Arizona, but they do know a large-scale fire is unpredictable.
The weather changes. I don't know what happened. It sounds like maybe a thunder cell pushed down on a fire, just blew it out everywhere.
You train with your firefighters. You teach them about fire behavior and topography and wind and weather and all that stuff, but you never really can prepare for everything that you're going to see in your career.
CAL FIRE units in Morgan Hill were active today, including an unusual fire jumping from one tall tree to another. The battalion chief says, as with the Hot Shots, there is always something to learn from fires that catch you by surprise.
To have something like this happen to an experienced crew like this is definitely a real eye-opener. It can't happen to anybody at any time.
CAL FIRE says it could take at least several weeks to determine exactly what happened to the Hot Shot unit. In Morgan Hill, Robert Honda, KTVU, Channel 2 News.